Happy birthday, Laila. Happy 18th. Sorry, I did this like around almost 4 a.m. because I was busy. School, work, and syempre, a little bit of fun sometimes, hanging out with friends. So, as you can see, I'm still nakapang-alis. Wala nang sapatos. Sana maging masayang birthday mo ngayon. Although wala ako dyan, I know na yung iba hindi makakapunta dahil nakwento mo naman. I know it's hard for you, pero kayanin mo. I know you can do it. Always believe in yourself. Sana wish ko lang is you can become stronger in person, physically, mentally, emotionally, lahat-lahat. Sana maging masaya ka. Keep smiling. Stay happy. Because seeing you happy is what keeps me happy too. Alam mo, mahal na mahal talaga kita. Kaya lagi mo sanang tatandaan yan. I'll keep this video short. I don't know, siguro dahil baboboard ka rin kung mahaba ito masyado. Sana kung kahit anong man mangyari ngayon sa birthday mo, maging okay lang lahat. I'm sure everything will turn out fine. Siguro naman maging masaya. Masaya naman birthday mo eh. As I can see, you are making friends. Meron pang nagkakagusto sa'yo eh. Anyway, just keep up the good work, you know. Make friends. Come on, let those boys go drop dead over your body. I mean, make them go gaga to you, you know. What are those looks for then? Those model looks, those body. Sayang, no? Use them to make friends. Kidding. Anyway, you're an attractive girl. You're an attractive person. No? Be jolly. Although, know your limits. Know when you need to have that fun, not exceed the limit. You know. And you know your limit, of course. I'm not limiting you. You know your own limit. So, stick to that limit. Sana, even though na, you know, sa nangyari sa atin, malaman mo na mahal talaga kita. And, I know, maybe siguro sa tingin mo, I've been a jerk to you. Pero trust me, I know what I'm doing. Trust me, at least give me your trust for this. And I know this is sad at first, pero kakayanin naman, di ba? Basta lagi mong tatandaan na hindi ako masaya na nangyari yun, pero I really had to do it, you know, for us. Pero honestly, I feel incomplete right now. Very incomplete actually. It's kind of sad. Nawala ka na. Pero kayanin naman eh. Basta lagi ka dapat masaya sa birthday mo everyday. Kasi yun lang naman gusto ko eh, kahit wala na ako. One day I'll be back for you. Abangan mo lang. Pero right now, konting tiis lang. Pasensya na kung nagsusungit ako sa'yo. Siguro, I just thought of it as a way na to avoid being like that would avoid me na mamiss ka. Pero hirap din pala nun. Ah, so anyway, I can see that bro has been accompanying you. Um, your friends, Joshua, your friends from Apua, like, who are your friends there? I don't know. I only see Teta, um, Jessica, uh, Angel, and those other girls na lagi mong kasama. So, have fun with them. Yeah, and also Coco if you want. Yeah, and Joshua and bro, and whoever else. Basta make friends. Sensya na. Basta lagi kang dapat maging masaya. Mm. I know things are going hard, pero kaya mo yan. Happy birthday, Lai. Happy 18th. Lagi kang mag-iingat. Reminders ko sa'yo. Sana hindi mo kakalimutan kasi hindi naman mahirap gawin, di ba? And sana you'll come to understand kung bakit ko ginawa yun. You'll come to understand at ma-realize kung bakit. Sana lagi mong tatandaan na lagi kang nasa puso ko kahit anong mangyari. You're something that I need to be complete. Without you, I'm just totally incomplete right now. At saka, without you, parang, alam mo, nothing really fills the void. Mahirap talaga maging pretentious eh. Pero, it's for the better. Kaya, happy birthday, Lai. Happy 18th. Good luck sa life, sa college life. Please take care. Alam kong medyo boring tong video, pero sorry. I love you and I really miss you so much. Stay happy and keep smiling, alright? Sorry to keep this video short, pero I hope this video is worth watching, at least. So, keep safe, right? I love you. Bye. Hugs.